Hi there! Today I will show you that a multi-tool doesn't have to be big to be useful. Today we will do a review of the Leatherman Skeletool SX. This, this multi-tool is just 5 ounce and 4 inches, and it has a 2 inches blade. It has 8 tools. This is designed for snowboarders, lightweight and concealable. If you look at this, you can just easily you can just easily conceal it in your pocket, or you can use the carabiner to just let it hang on your pants. This multi-tool is very lightweight. I have here the Leatherman Crater C33TX knife. It's almost the same weight. I also have the Leatherman Wave. So it is very lighter than the Wave. And also I have here the Leatherman Charge TTI. It is way lighter than the Charge TTI. So join me in reviewing this multi-tool. Please don't forget to subscribe. Inside is the user guide. So this Skeletool SX is black and silver. It's a 5 ounce pocket size multi-tool. It has a length when closed at 4 inches. It has a weight of 142 grams. It has 8 tools. The knife is a combo knife. It has a straight and serrated knife. It has a locking mechanism. So we have a long nose plier, regular plier, wire cutter, it has a carabiner. It has carabiner hook which can be used as a can opener. It has Phillips screwdriver 1 and Phillips screwdriver 2. It has a large bit holder. So we will try again to open the Skeletool. It has a combo knife, a straight and a serrated knife. It has a diamond file. The carabiner also works as a can opener. We have a regular pliers, a long nose pliers, a wire cutter, we have a Phillips screwdriver number 1 and Phillips screwdriver number 2. So this is the Skeletool SX. check out also my other videos of the other EDC items by clicking on the link. The Leatherman Wave, the Leatherman Crater C33TX, and the M2R Pro Warrior flashlight. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.